Hey, what's up? It is your girl Sylvia Curatini here, coming with you another awesome video, and I do have another awesome work from home lead to share with you today. And this one I'm very excited to share because it is a live chat position. So for those who are very interested in not being on the phone all day and accepting those inbound and outbound calls, then this position is going to be perfect for you because this is still helping out customers, still providing that great customer service, but through chat. All right, so let's not stall any longer and let's get right into the video. All right, awesome. So we're definitely about to dive into this work from home chat position. But before I reveal what this work from home position entails, please be sure to hit that like button if you do like my content, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss out on any future work from home leads, online business opportunities, or anything that has to do with making money online. So let's get into this position here. This will be a position from Blackboard. They are hiring for live chat technical support advisors. Now, for this position, this opportunity, this is one of the companies that offer the largest ed tech ecosystems on a global scale, and this is supporting over 150 million users in 80 countries. So for their mission, it's simply to provide a dynamic, data-informed experiences to the global education community so that learners and educators can achieve their goals. So they are helping with your education system. So you as a live chat provider or advisor will be helping and assisting those who are in need of that. So this company, they believe in the power of a truly diverse and inclusive workforce. So that's why they want to expand globally, and they're committed to making that diversity within their company. So with this, they bring virtualized support and technology and enabled solutions to the world's most progressive institutions. So they provide IT help desk and comprehensive student lifecycle management services that improve student engagement and accelerate learning. So with their platform, they give institutions an efficient, financially sustainable way to deliver services through the enrollment and learning process. So their goal is to build a better education experience for everyone by extending institutional resources to meet growing demands of learners. So for this position, your primary responsibilities will include resolving end user inquiries by utilizing chat technologies, provide complete and accurate information to the customers on every live chat interaction by researching account activity and notes promptly and efficiently. You'll be also required to handle and resolve situations with customers in a timely and effective manner, assisting the management with special projects relating to customer service, responding to all inbound chats, and assisting management for the entire shift with the exceptions of the assigned break times, installing, maintaining, and troubleshooting computers, printers, phones, and other equipment, troubleshooting hardware and software issues, performing software installations, performing remote troubleshooting, walking customers through the outlined problem-solving processes using our knowledge-based system, and then asking questions to determine the nature of the problem, serving as a first point of contact for customers seeking technical assistance over chat. So you are basically helping and assisting all through chat. So for this position, the ideal candidate will be able to work from home, be able to sit and work at a desk and on the computer for extended periods of time, must have a quiet, distraction-free work environment without any conflicting responsibilities during your scheduled shift. Your home office must have a DSL, cable, or fiber internet that is hardwired into the modem. Router via the internet, dial-up wireless, or satellite internet service cannot be used. So for this position to be able to work from home, you need to be able to plug in that Ethernet cord. You need to have that cord into your modem from your internet that you have in your home. You must have either an ISP provided modem that allows a third-party VIOP or personal modem or personal router without restrictions. So this is what I mean by having your own internet within your home and being able to plug in that Ethernet cord so that you're able to connect your equipment to your own home internet. Must be able to wire the company's hardware directly into the router, which may not be more than 100 feet from your computer to your internet. You need to have a minimum download speed of 15 Mbps and minimum upload speed of 5 Mbps and 100 ms ping or less. Must be able to pass a typing speed test and type 50 words per minute. Ability to take inbound voice calls in conversation heavy environment. So that's probably going to be more towards talking to management and talking to your team because this is a live chat position. So for the qualifications for this position, you need to have your high school diploma or equivalent. You must be at least 18 years old, flexible to work various schedules, including evenings and weekends, based on the call center's needs. So whatever the business or the company needs will be, catered more to your schedule. You need to have organizational skills and be detail oriented, excellent time management skills, proficient with Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, and the internet, along with basic data entry and word processing skills. You need to be excellent written and oral communication skills, and then have at least 1+ years of professional customer service experience, preferably in a large call center environment as a chat agent. Now, these are some of the preferred skills and qualifications, which is some level of college completed, able to easily operate a computer, learning and adapt quickly to software applications, able to troubleshoot caller issues and provide support, help documentation, committed to quality service matrix and culture, able to quickly adapt to face changing situations, able to provide positive customer experience, self-motivated, accountable approach combined with a strong sense of teamwork, strong sense of customer service with enthusiastic, energetic, and professional behavior. Now for this position, this is available for candidates residing in the following states of the United States. So be sure to look at these right here and make sure that your state is included before you actually go right here, which will be the next step. If you're interested in this live chat position, which will be for apply now, you simply click on there and submit your application. So if you are interested in this working from home position, you simply go apply here. There will be a link that will be below this video in the description for you to go directly to this position for Blackboard so that you are able to apply to the live chat technical support advisor position. And then for this position, your equipment is provided. So if you were to get hired and become a candidate of Blackboard, they will give you the equipment required to complete this role. So if you're interested in having a live chat position and having your equipment provided, then you want to go to that link down below this video in the description and go apply today. Alright, so there you have it. If you're interested in that live chat position, you already know what to do. That link is going to be in the description. Go apply today. You never know if you're going to get any position if you just stay stagnant and don't do anything. If you are seeking a work from home position, I am literally giving you work from home leads that are fresh and hot for you to apply right now. So if you see this video and you want a chat position, go apply for this position. Now, for myself, if you have watched any of my videos or seen me on any other platform such as TikTok or Instagram or even YouTube itself, then you would realize that I am an affiliate marketer, I am my own boss, and I am an entrepreneur. So with what I do allows me to stay at home and earn money with my children, or I could be literally wherever I please and can earn money online. If you are interested in learning exactly what it is that I do to be able to do that, then there will also be a link in the description as well as my #1 recommendation to making money online. You simply go click that link and you can see what it is exactly that earns me consistent passive income no matter where I am or at home in comfortable clothes, playing at the park with my kids, cooking dinner, baking cookies, literally whatever I please. I wake up and get to decide what I want to do with my children every single day because I made that decision to invest in myself, to learn skills that teaches me how to learn and make money online. And you can too. Literally, you can too. All it takes is you believing in yourself and then you actually taking action to get it done. The decision is always yours. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one.